There's 4 kinds of mukti, Vaikuntha mukti. One is sharsti. Sharsti means to have the same wealth. To go to Vaikuntha and have a big golden palace and golden chariot and have the same wealth as Narayan. Then there's one called salokya. To simply attain the lok, Vaikuntha lok, prapti. To go to the spiritual world, get your spiritual body, and just be some resident there, salokya. You're living there. Maybe it's simple, you're a farmer, cowherd man or whatever. Don't have a big golden palace. That's called salokya. Then there's sarupya. Sarupya is where you have the same form as Vishnu. He has 4 arms, you have 4 arms. He's blue, you're blue, whatever. Like that. There's some minor differences, that hair on his chest or whatever is that. Something different. Then there's samipya. Samipya means nearby. Sani nikarshena. Sani karshena. To be close proximity. To always be associating with Vishnu, which is a more intimate relationship. Yes, you are on the same planet. Yes, you're Salokya. And yes, you may have Sarupya. But you want to be very close. You want to be a servant in Narayan's palace. You want to fan him when he's sitting on his asan. Or you want to cook for him. Or you want to have some intimate relationship. That's called samipya. Clear? So Krishna is saying that pure devotees don't want anything but Krishna's service. Nadanam, najanam, nasundarim, kavitam va jagadisha kamiye, mama janmani janmani ishvare, bhavatad bhaktri hoitaki toyi. Even if I take janmani janam, birth after birth after birth, all I want is unconditional, unmotivated, pure service at the lotus feet of Krishna. This is the Shuddh Bhakt, the pure devotee. His aspiration, his ambition, his desire, his sankalpa is nothing more than that. He doesn't want wealth and attainment and promotion and liberation. He just wants love. Love means service, so he wants loving service.